Welcome to Kannamma Cooks for another delicious recipe. Today we are going to see a traditional South Tamilnadu special, the Paruppu Muttai Aanam. The eggs are poached in a very tasty lentil gravy and is usually served for breakfast with idli. Let's get to the recipe. Heat oil in a pan. I have used sesame oil for making this recipe today, but any vegetable oil will work just fine. Add in little mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, and some chopped green chillies. Saute the herbs and spices for a few seconds in oil so they turn aromatic and the mustard seeds start to crackle. Add in the finely chopped onions to the pan. Saute the onions for about 3 to 4 minutes till the onions turn soft and slowly they start to brown. Once the onions are starting to change color, add in the ginger garlic paste. Add in the finely chopped tomatoes. Add some chopped coriander leaves at this stage. Mix everything well to combine. Add salt to season the curry. Add about a teaspoon in the beginning at this stage, and we can always adjust the seasoning later if need be. Cover the pan with the lid and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes till the tomatoes are slightly mushy. Our tomatoes should be well cooked by this time. If you can see, our tomatoes are well done. Take a potato masher and mash the tomato mixture. This is a cool trick to get a nice creamy gravy. The big bits of onion and tomato will become mushy and the mixture will become thick. Now add in the turmeric powder, red chilli powder, the coriander powder. Adjust the red chilli powder according to your taste. Remember that we also added green chillies for spice. Saute the mixture for a minute. Add in half a cup of washed Masoor Dal to the pan. We also colloquially call this as Mysore Dal or Mysore Paruppu in Tamilnadu. It's actually the Masoor Dal or the red lentils. Add about 2 cups of water at this stage. Cover the pan with the lid and cook on a low flame for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the lentils should be cooked well. Take a small piece of the cooked lentil and try to press them between your fingers. The lentils should hold its shape but is soft and cooked well. Add little water at this stage if the curry is thick. Mix well. Let this come to a boil. Once the curry is boiling, add in the eggs. I like to break the eggs in a small cup and then add it to the pan. Breaking the eggs directly in the pan somehow changes the shape and texture of the poached eggs. After adding the eggs, cover the pan and cook on a low flame for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the eggs should be poached and our curry is ready. Gently try moving the eggs in the pan to make sure that it's not stuck to the bottom. Be gentle on the eggs so they do not break. Finally, sprinkle some coriander leaves. I'm sure you must have liked this recipe. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy cooking!